to see how to save separate part of this one body. We created this body in our previous tutorial. Now we want to save this body separately. So there is a one command, insert feature, and there is a command save bodies. Now see, there are two bodies. We want to save both the bodies separately. So name, it is not assigned. So just click here, auto assign name. Now see, it is already auto assigned name. Now select yes. Now it's going to save. See, part 1 is already saved. See, this is the part, body 1 is saved separately. Now again we will go to save another body. Now this time we will save this body. Save body. You can auto assign the name. Select OK. It's going to save. Now you can see here. See, it is separately saved here, and this is your another part. So see, from one part we saved both the parts separately.